Genres: business, romance, life, drama. Episode 36. After graduating from university with a passion for publishing, Julie successfully entered her dream company, UNU Publishing House. However, a challenging path lies ahead of her. She was shocked to find out that the publishing industry at this time has undergone huge changes. With her sincerity and professionalism, she earned the respect of renowned authors and became their exclusive editor. Julie overcomes the obstacles in her career and finally becomes an established editor. Renowned author Joe Schwan is said to be gentle as a jade when he's really not. The two are immediately at odds, but Joe Schwan later discovers that Julie is his online friend Monkey. She also discovers that her close online friend, El June, is Joe Schwan. Use for my talent. Genres: friendship, business, comedy, romance, drama. Episodes 24. Because of his incomplete family, Jiu Renqi has a closed-up personality and misophobia. Shuang Zhao used to have a happy family, but later lost her mother in a car accident, and became a slovenly person. The two became acquainted when Shuang Zhao becomes an employee in Jiu Renqi's cleaning company. The two became closer as they get to know each other. Under each other's influence, they began to heal from their wounds. Please be married. Genres: comedy, romance, life, drama, family, fantasy. Episode 30. Ye Xiangji is a trainee under Linshan Entertainment. Before she made her official debut, she was caught up in a big scandal planned by his own good friend, and her company decided to terminate the contract. After being jobless, Ye Xiangji met a cold-hearted CEO of Su Group, Su Mu Chen, to be an intern at his company. Then something incredible happened. A 5-year-old boy, named Su Zian, who came to Ye Xiangji and said he was her son from the future. Then, Su Zian also said that his father was Su Mu Chen, and Ye Xiangji was shocked. After Su Muchen knew about this, he has no choice but to live with them. In the process, Ye Xiangji and Su Mu Chen slowly fell in love with each other. A Planet Without Love. Genres: comedy, romance, fantasy. Episode 30. This is a cartoonist virtual planet, the same planet as Earth, only there is no love. Scientist Li Ruwa discovered and used a drug that stimulates the emotion of love. Inadvertently, company leader Yan Yan also accidentally drank the love medicine. Only 2 people on the planet can feel love and start making up all kinds of cute and touching love stories. The Flaming Heart. Genres: action, romance, drama, medical. Episode 24. After Hyo Yan graduated from the Civil Defense Academy, he becomes the vice captain of the fire rescue team. During an incident where he had to rescue a pregnant woman from a delivery car, he met Yan Lan, a doctor working in the emergency department. Their meeting started out on the wrong foot, plagued with misunderstandings. Hyo Yan has always been cold and level-headed, having a firm grip on all situations. However, the appearance of sunshine, Yan Lan becomes the only uncertain element in his life. Hyo Yan and Yan Lan meet again in an earthquake relief mission. During their mission, they are constantly faced with extreme conditions, witnessing countless parting caused by life and death, causing their relationship to take a stronger turn. After returning back to the city, news of a highly infectious virus broke out. Yan Lan and her colleagues immediately devote their efforts, joining the battle to combat the disease. Hyo Yan and the people who received their aid are constantly worried about Yan Lan's safety and try all means to silently support Yan Lan behind her back. On the other hand, Jing Tong, the deputy instructor of the fire rescue team, falls in love with Wang Dian, her fellow colleague who seems timid and withdrawn. Faced with Wang Dawayan's constant avoidance and her family's opposition, Jing Tong is determined to find out the story behind Wang Dayan. In the process, Wang Dayan also gradually matured to become a man with a sense of mission and responsibility. Love Crossed. Genres: comedy, romance, youth, fantasy. Episode 36. A series of romantic encounters between two heroines and four virtual idols. It's a call to return to reality, cherish life and reap a beautiful love. Lucio is warm as spring in the virtual world but sensitive and lonely in real life. Ji and Kelly may lead a difficult life, but she still dreams of meeting the perfect prince. My Treasure. Genres: romance, life, drama, family. Episode 36. Kyu Dong-na just fell to the lowest point of her life after losing her job and experiencing family problems. With not much choice left, she applied for the company she dreaded the most, the accounting firm her old friend, Ji Yu-fei, and her first love's stepmother, Chen Kai-yang set up. After entering the workplace, she meets her boss Ji Yu-fei, an unpredictable man. They solve problems in life and work together, becoming soulmates. Ugly Beauty. Genres: suspense, romance. Episode 24. A story that follows a pair of twins who venture into the glittering lights of showbiz with a secret to hide. Despite their identical looks, their personalities are different as night and day. The kind-hearted Xiao Mu assumes the identity of her audacious older sister Yao Meng-yi and transforms overnight from a plain Jane delivery clerk to a famous star that is known to every household. Entertainment reporter Chen Mo discovers inconsistencies that raise his suspicions regarding her identity. In order to land a scoop, he gets close to her by pretending to be her manager. When Chen Mo becomes privy to the truth, will he use it to protect his love or reveal it to the world?